Welcome to qnawire.
This question is getting at your recognition of special right triangles. If the shorter brace is 2 in a 45, 45, 90 triangle, then this would be 4 divided by the square root of 2. And if that then is the shorter leg of the 30, 60, 90 triangle, then to go from short leg to long leg, or short leg to hypotenuse, you would double it. So this would be 4 over square root 2 times 2, or 8 over square root 2. Now you're asked to round the length of the longer brace. 8 divided by square root 2 is about 5 to the nearest tenth would be 5.7. How much higher does the longer brace reach than the shorter brace? Well, in the blue triangle, this is isosceles, so that part is also 4 divided by the square root of 2. And then for the 30, 60, 90 triangle, short leg to long leg, you multiply by the square root of 3. So it'd be 4 over the square root of 2 times the square root of 3. And that, see, we're going to the nearest tenth again. 4 over square root 2 is 2.8. I'll say 2.8. And then 4 over square root 2, which again is 2.8 times the square root of 3, is 4.9. So how much higher, how much longer, how much higher does the longer brace reach than the shorter brace? Subtract the two. 4.9 minus 2.8 is 2.1 meters higher.